I miss the family I used to have. I feel like everything's so different now, sitting by the fire.
Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to import and export a profile on the ICUE software for Corsair. If you guys haven't already, please install the software before continuing the video. I have a link down in the description for Mac and Windows. With that said, I'm going to go with the assumption you've already installed the software and have it up and running. First thing you obviously want to do is have the downloaded preset that you want. In this case, I'm going to be using the example that I've already made for the Valorant preset that I still have. So I have it downloaded and set to my desktop. So we're going to launch the ICUE software. Right now we're clicked on a main profile. I'm going to click Home. If you haven't already have Home selected, you go down to the arrows that go back and forth that says import/export. So to import, we're going to click on this, or my bad, we're going to click on the dots. This will bring up a window asking for permissions to access other document folders on your computer. Just click OK. Go to the location of the file. In this case, it's on my desktop. Click Open. Click Import. Edit profile. This gives you the ability to edit a profile and stuff like that. This was with an audio preset. Currently, I don't have my headphones set up, so it won't show, but it will apply the settings automatically once it's been imported. So, in that case, I don't need that one. I'm gonna go back to Home. So to export a preset, it's the same concept. You want to click the lines, click those, click Export. Select the profile you want. In this case, we only have one. Select what you want to export. We're gonna take those off. So we're just gonna have lighting effects. Click export. Select the location. For this one, I'm just gonna have it go to desktop. Name it test. Click save. And now it should have exported or copied the preset, which is right here. If you guys have any questions or run into any issues, please leave a comment. I will be glad to help you. And if you have any more requests on a tutorial for this software, please let me know down in the description, my bad. Down in the comments. If this video helped and you want more content like this, please leave a like. And with that said, I'll see you guys next video.